In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy custom domain to Netlify, and we'll do it all in just about 5 minutes. Connecting your domain to a web host like Netlify can seem daunting, but with these straightforward steps, you'll have it linked in no time. Let's dive right into it. To start, open up your browser of choice and type Netlify into your search bar. You're looking for the official Netlify website, so click on that link. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, just go ahead and log in. For those who are new here, having easy access to your credentials will speed things up, so make sure you've got your login details handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, you'll need to choose the specific site you want to attach your custom GoDaddy domain to. You'll likely have several options on your dashboard, so pick the one that fits your needs. Once selected, navigate to the site settings for that particular site. Don't worry, it should be pretty easy to find, and you'll see several options listed there. From the Site Settings menu, you're going to look for Domain Management. This section is where all the magic happens. You'll want to click on Add Custom Domain. This is your gateway to linking your GoDaddy domain with Netlify. When you click on that option, you'll see a prompt asking for your domain name. All you need to do is input your GoDaddy domain, something like yourdomain.com, and then click Add Domain. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm that you indeed own the domain. This is just a security check from Netlify to make sure everything is above board. Once you've confirmed ownership, Netlify will generate 4 name server addresses for you. It's crucial that you copy these accurately because they're how you're going to link your domain from GoDaddy to Netlify. Next, open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to the DNS settings for the domain you want to connect. This is where you'll configure your domain to work with Netlify. Look for the section that allows you to change your name servers. What you'll do here is replace the existing name servers with the 4 you just got from Netlify. Once you've swapped out those name servers, don't forget to save your changes. Saving guarantees that everything gets registered correctly and swiftly. And there you have it. After saving, it might take a little while for the changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. But congratulations, you've successfully connected your GoDaddy custom domain to your Netlify site. Feel free to check back periodically to ensure everything's running as expected. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.